I am going to give one-on-one session, and with the help of that, you are surely going to get all your doubts clear. Come closer. Let me share my little secret with you. In this video, I'm going to share some important strategy with the help of which you are surely going to become an IIMCN. Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Aparna Jha. I'm also an IIMCN and I've been a part of Indian Institute of Mass Communication, New Delhi campus in English journalism course. And today in this video, we are going to understand what we need to actually study to crack this entrance exam, even if we are not from mass communication background, that is graduate in some different field. So let's get started without any further delay. Well, if you would have researched a little bit, then you would have got an idea about the overview of the syllabus. And in that, it's clearly mentioned that you need to have an understanding about the mass communication terms and what all are included in mass communication. Apart from that, general awareness, general knowledge, and what is going on around you and globally, that is a good hold on current affairs along with general science as well. That means IIMC entrance exam is like a huge syllabus where you need to segregate and study, and also you need to first focus on things that is of your interest, and in this way you're surely going to be a part of a prestigious college of your field. And also IIMC is like IIT for journalists. That means if you get a chance to study here, you are surely going to rock in your field and you're going to have an industry exposure here in your campus only. So now, number one is segregating and studying. You need to find out what is something which you can cover easily, which you can score easily, and you can memorize as well. So there are different parts, as I already mentioned. You need to study current affairs, you need to study history, general knowledge, and apart from that, economics, then current affairs, IT, that is basics of computer as well. So there are 7 to 8 sections that needs to be studied well, and basically you need to have an overview. You don't have to go in depth because this is of course MCQ type paper and not something where you have to write. Come closer. Let me share my little secret with you. Well, if I talk about my strength, it was journalism and mass communication, as I was a graduate from the same field. Apart from that, computer, typing, like basics of computer, of course, that comes in IT part. And then economics a little bit, politics, because that's something that excites me a lot, except corporate politics, because that is dangerous. And then current affairs. Earlier, I was not a regular newspaper reader, but now since I've chosen this field, and I need to be. So what you can do is you can have a monthly video of some good teacher on YouTube that could help you in covering your current affairs portion. In the basically 10 to 12 questions come from current affairs normally. Apart from that, history plays a negligible role, science plays a negligible role, cinema plays a very important role, and your general awareness as well. So you can read Lucent, that is something which has a good collection of the general awareness questions. And apart from that, for computer, I can share some notes which would be helpful. And for different other sections, you need to understand books and authors part, because we have seen questions in previous year from books and authors, and from literature part, that is media literature. And mainly number one thing is mass communication, of course. If you want to have a good score, then you need to at least cover mass communication portion first, and then politics, and then current affairs. These three sections if you cover, then later you can choose further section for a greater score. And remember, since this exam has negative marking, so please start practicing mock test, so that you could have an idea about your score and negative marking as well. That would give you a sort of early warning, and then you could be able to score well. Also, let me tell you that I am going to give one-on-one session, and with the help of that, you are surely going to get all your doubts clear. And also, I can share some reporting tips as well, because that is what I have been doing since past few months. And yeah, we have a WhatsApp group as well for all mass communication paglu, especially for them who are going to appear this time for the entrance exam of mass communication. So I'll be sharing the link below in description, and you can join the group and you can connect with me for one-on-one session as well. That is surely going to give you a clarity about mass communication and this field. And if you have some other problem, some other confusion regarding preparation, then well, for that you can even connect with me as well.